Hi everyone, Kelly here with Welch team. Today we're going to talk about interest rates. We hear that word a lot, but what exactly are they? How do they work? So what are interest rates? Interest rates are typically defined as the amount of money lenders charge borrowers in exchange for the ability to borrow money. The fee is set in the form of a percentage rate based on the perceived risk of the borrower, based on credit rating, debt to income ratio, current income, and more. This amount has to be paid back to the lender over time, and it is customarily added to the mortgage payment. So how does all that work? All things considered, interest rates are pretty straightforward. They're determined by several factors, including the type of loan, the borrower's credit score, the amount of money being borrowed, the length of the loan, and the current global and national economies. Typically, when interest rates are low, lenders are more willing to offer money to potential borrowers. This means that more buyers can enter the housing market when interest rates are low, leading to increased competition and higher property values. On the other hand, when interest rates are high, lenders are more hesitant to lend borrowers because the risk is too high. As a result, fewer potential buyers enter the market, leading to lower property values and less competition. Of course, while there are exceptions to the rule, this is most often the case. 5 reasons you should pay attention to interest rates. 1. Borrow amounts. Interest rates determine how much you can borrow and the standards you must meet to qualify. So, if you're looking to buy a house, it's important to pay attention to interest rates to get the best deal possible. 2. Current state of the market. Interest rates can also influence the market. When interest rates are low, more potential buyers enter the market, and this can increase competition for properties and lead to higher prices. So if you're waiting on the market to shift, you should pay close attention to interest rates. Mortgage payments. Interest rates also affect mortgage payments. Your loan's interest rate largely determines your monthly mortgage payment. So, the higher the interest rate, the more you'll have to pay each month. Monthly budgets. Interest rates can affect your monthly budget. If you have a fixed loan rate, your monthly payments will remain the same. However, if you have an adjustable rate loan or an ARM, your payment could change monthly depending on interest rates. If you have a certain amount budgeted for your mortgage, you might want to keep an eye on current interest rates. And lastly, 5, refinancing. Changing interest rates can affect your refinancing options. If interest rates drop significantly, you may qualify for a better deal that can save you money in the long run. So, if you are worried that interest rates are too high right now, you can always get a home in the current market, then refinance later when the rates drop. How do interest rates affect you? Whether you are a homeowner or a potential home buyer, interest rates have a significant impact on everyone's lives. If you're a homeowner, rising interest rates can lead to higher mortgage payments or could even make refinancing more difficult. For potential buyers, interest rates determine how much money you can borrow for a home. If interest rates are low, you could potentially be able to afford a more expensive house or even be approved for a larger loan amount. Plus, low interest rates can increase competition in the market, which may drive up property values. It's important to remember that interest rates are constantly changing, and you should stay up to date on current rates and the current state of the housing market. This can help you make the best possible decisions when it comes to buying or refinancing a home. Thank you guys. Once again, this is Kelly with Welch Team Keller Williams. If you are interested in what your potential purchasing power is and how today's interest rates could impact the home of your choice, please be sure to reach out. We'd be happy to connect you with one of our preferred lenders who can help navigate what today's interest rates are and how much borrowing power you will have in your future. If you ever have any questions, we're always here. Please like and subscribe so that you will get alerts the next time we post a video. Have a great one.